Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and customize your daily feed in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here we can get started browsing posts that we follow, we are recommended books on the home page and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to customize this daily feed that we see. So basically guys, customizing your daily feed is designed to be an automated process driven by your engagement and supplemented by initial topic selection. So you can go ahead and first select your topics that you want to see right here on your home page by going into the Explore tab. By clicking the Explore tab at the bottom of the screen, it's going to open up this new Explore menu, from where we can get started diving deeper into topics. As you can see by scrolling down a bit, we can explore by topics and find topics that we want to follow. So open up on any of the topics that you want to follow, let's say like personal development. Once you open it up, it's going to look like this, and in the upper right corner you're going to have the follow button. So once you're following it, now you're going to be seeing more from this topic on your daily feed. So once you go back to the home page, you can now get started following new people, new posts, new ideas and so on. They are going to be available on your feed, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.